All right, so this is the beast we've been working on this week. We're talking about doing an engine swap. This is the Kohler that was in it and getting old in tires. So the customer went out and bought this new Predator engine. And as you can see, there's a special kit that he also bought, which is down here, this aluminum base that was supposed to be pre-drilled. Everything fit perfectly. It didn't. We had to take a print punch and drill holes through the base of this machine so that we could get the holes to line up and also keep it square on the shaft. Now, a lot of times people get mixed up because they want to put this towards that way, and actually it'll run it backwards. So you have to buy a special kit. I know it's hard to see, to bolt to the front to have the U-joints and stuff line up. So we get that in, we got that all tightened up. We've got the 4 base bolts holding the unit right now. We've got the starter hooked up. Now we're just going to have to go henpecking through these wires for the charging system. But I think overall, in the end, he's going to be very happy with it. Cute little machine. It's a T5C. Pretty good size tires. You got a hole on the back. Going to need a new seat. But the unit came with this style control on the side, and it wasn't going to work. So we had to redo where this is the throttle and this is the choke. So we had to take and cut these off and then run them straight through the eyelets and tighten the screws down. But I think he's going to be very happy. We just got to take and get her buttoned up, wired up, oiled, and it should be ready to go.